I'm going to show you how to make the absolute best chocolate chip cookies ever, inspired by Levain Bakery in New York City. So you're going to start off with 1 cup of salted butter, cold, and you're going to add in 1 cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. You're going to mix together, and you're going to add in 2 eggs, add in 1 at a time and mix in between like this. And then you're going to add your flour, which is 1 1/2 cup of regular flour, and then 1 1/2 cup of cake flour. The cake flour is super important here. You're going to get this consistency and then add in your chocolate chips, add in as many as you like. I like a lot. And then you're going to bake these at 410 for 9 minutes. And there you go.